Welcome to the BrendanGPodcast. Today we're going to be talking about a drug called Montelukast. And this drug is used for seasonal allergies and anti-asthma. Okay, so that's the purpose of this medication. It's manufactured by Merck. It's been on the market for about 25 years. Why am I bringing it to your attention? Well, fairly recently, I say recently, like the last few months, there has been a recent push by states' attorney generals asking the FDA to take another look at whether or not this drug should be, I would assume, on the market, or at the very least have some additional warnings put on the product. Why is that? Well, when they started to take a look at FDA's adverse events reporting system, VAERS system, if you know anything about the VAERS system, and I've spoken to quite a few doctors about it, the VAERS system is relatively difficult to operate. Okay, every time you put an incident in a VAERS system, it typically takes about 45 minutes, and not every incident ends up going in there. Sometimes you'll spend 45 minutes dropping it in, and then the system will have a malfunction in it, and you'll have to start all over again. So, in my opinion, I think this is a very represented from a numbers standpoint within the VAERS system. But let's see what the VAERS system says. So this is according to the Epic Times. So they did a little report on this. There were nearly 35,000 reports of adverse effects or adverse events related to Montelukast. Okay, more than 28,000 of them were considered severe. And this is going back to, when we're talking about severe, this is including serious neuropsychiatric events. Okay, so this is negatively impacting the mental health of the individuals who are taking this product. Okay, this is particularly dangerous because a lot of the people taking this product are kids. Okay, so they noted over 22% of the severe cases are kids under the age of 17. Okay, so I'm really sort of squarely putting this to the parents to make sure that when you go in to see your doctor and they're recommending that you take a product like Montelukast, that you are at least armed with this information. Further and more concerning is that over 1,000 deaths have been linked to Montelukast. They don't tell you exactly why that is. I don't know if these are the direct result of the neuropsychiatric effects. So these could end up being suicides, or if there's a physiological reason as to why these individuals have passed. I'm not sure of that. But I will tell you it's serious, obviously. Just as recently as 2021, we're talking about 31 million people on this prescription drug. Okay, so this is not a small group of people who are on Montelukast. So this warning I wanted to bring to your attention because it's very important. But again, this application for this drug is seasonal allergies and anti-asthma. What do we know about seasonal allergies? We know that oftentimes these have to do with autoimmune issues. Where's 80% of your immune system located? 80% of your immune system is located down in your digestive tract. So a big push from this channel is making sure that people understand how to maintain good gut health, because that's the cornerstone of overall health. But in particular, when we're talking about how the immune system works, it's extremely important. If your gut is damaged to any degree, your immune system is going to engage and it's going to release histamines. And that's going to trigger your immune system. Now your immune system is looking for all kinds of things, other allergens that could be coming into your body from other locations. Okay, that's that autoimmune effect. What you should be looking for in a supplement, rather than going into the pharmaceutical sphere, okay, try and do this naturally, is look for a anti-inflammatory. I typically like to recommend quercetin. It's a antioxidant, very healthy, and it's an anti-inflammatory. It quells those histamine. Okay, so that reduces the overall overreaction or the triggering of the immune system. You want to get some base amino acids in there so that you can get some repair in your digestive tract. You want to take a good form of zinc so you can You can those large openings in your digestive tract close. Okay, those are the things you need to be looking for in supplements. That's a very good way of avoiding overreaction or hyper triggering during these, having these seasonal allergies or having asthma. So that's my recommendation to you. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll have more of these in the coming weeks. So I'll catch you later.